Damn. Uh. Yeah. Uh.
Hello everyone, my name is Nabil and today I will be helping you to learn Mathematics Form 5 Chapter 5. So today we will be covering the chapter that is include Congruency, Enlargement, Combined Transformation and Tessellation. So for the first one is Congruency. So the first question, determine whether each pair of the following shapes are congruent. For the first question A, you can see that the length BC, so you need to find the length of BC. How to find the length? You need to use the square root of 5 square plus 12 square. So the square root of 5 square plus 12 square is equals to 13 centimeter, which is equals this, the same length as RQ. And you can see whether PRQ, the degree, which is 180, minus with 90 degrees with the right angle triangle, and minus the 22.6, which is equals to 67.4. So the angle of R is equal to the angle of B. Hence, the measurement of all corresponding sides and angles are equal. Hence, both shapes are congruent. For question B, you can see the first part is you need to find the length of DC, which is 8 AB minus FE, 3 centimeters. So 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters is equals to 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters is not equal the length of RQ. RQ is 4. And to confirm it, you can check the length of PU. So PU is 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So 7 of PU is not equals to AB. AB is 8 centimeters. Hence, both shapes are not congruent. So for question C, you can see the angle ADC. So angle ADC, which is this is a square. Square is equals to 360 degrees. First, you minus 90 degrees of angle A, and then you minus the second right angle, angle C, 90 degrees, and then you minus 83 degrees, which is angle B. And you will find the remaining angle is angle D, which is 97 degrees. 97 degrees of angle D is the same as angle R, which is QRS. Hence, the measurement of all corresponding sides and angles are equal. Hence, both shapes are congruent. Next, question D. The angle of ACB. So the angle of ACB, this is a triangle. Triangle, we can calculate using 180 degrees minus 70 for angle A and minus 70 for angle B, because the length on each side is the same. So 180 degree minus 70 degrees minus 70 degrees, you get the angle C is equals to 40 degrees. And you can see that the angle of RPQ is 50 degrees. Hence, both shapes are not congruent. So this is the notes. You can read, pause and read for a while. And let's go to the next chapter, which is enlargement. So for enlargement, the question is determine whether each pair of the following triangles satisfies the properties of triangle congruency. Justify your answer. So for the first one, you can see the length is 10 and 6 and the degrees is the same, 25. But it is not a congruency. So the answer is no. Although both triangles have two corresponding sides and one corresponding angle of the same measurement, the remaining sides and angles are different in measurement. The areas are different. You can see the different size between the first triangle and the second triangle. So for question B, it is the same, but it is not a congruency. So the answer is no. Although both triangles have three corresponding angles of the same measurement, all the corresponding sides are different in measurement. The areas are different. So this is not congruency. This is an enlargement. It's not the same area. Next, determine whether each pair of the following geometric objects are similar. For the first one, you can see the angle C. Angle C is triangle 180 degrees minus 47 degrees minus 79 degrees. So the angle C is equals to 54. Hence, this is the same as the angle FGE, which is 54. Angle B is 79, is equals to angle F. And angle A is 47, equals to the angle E. For a pair of triangles, all the corresponding sides are proportional when all the corresponding angles are equal. Hence, triangle ABC and triangle EFG are similar. For the second question, all the corresponding angles are equal. You can check angle A and B is equals to 9 divided by angle PQ 7.2 equals to BC, angle BC, which is 9 divided by angles QR 7.2, which is equals to 5/4. Angle AE, which is 8. Angle PT is also 8, 6.4, sorry. Angle CD is 8. And angle RS is 6.4. So both are the same and the fraction is 5/4. And then you can check ED, which is equals to 10 divided by TS, 8 centimeter, which is equals to 5/4. All the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. Hence, pentagon ABCDE and pentagon PQRST are similar. Next, for the question C, all the corresponding angles are equal. It's a right angle triangle, which is 6 cm on the side, and PS is 12, SR is 10. So you can check AB divided by PQ is also equal to DC divided by SR, which is 6 over 10 divided by 6 over 10, which is equal to 3 over 5. And then AD over PS, which is 6 over 12, is the same with BC divided by QR. So 6 over 12 is equals to 1 over 2. The ratios of the corresponding sides are not equal. Hence, quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are not similar. This is the notes for enlargement. So for the K is equals to distance of point of image from P divided by distance of point of object from P, or K is equals to length of side of image divided by length of side of object. So for the scale factor K more than 1, size of image is larger than the object. For K equals to 1, the object is equal of the size of the image. If 0 less than K, which is less than 1, so the image is smaller than the object. If negative 1 less than K less than 0, which means the image is smaller than the object. If K equals to negative 1, the size of image is equal, but the position of the image will be on the opposite side. If K less than negative 1, the image is larger than the object and will be opposite side of the object. Next is combined transformation. Combined transformation consists of translation, which is you can use the object, change the position of the image from the object, such as translation of 4, negative 3. So 4 is the positive side, which is right, and negative 3 is going down. So from here, the first point is at 8, 2. So for the translation is 4, negative 3. So you move 4 box to the right and 3 box downwards. So for the first point will be at the point of 5, 6. And the second point at the right angle is 6, 2. You move 4 boxes to the right and 3 boxes downward. So the new position is 3, 6. And the third one is 6, 3. So you move 4 box to the right and 3 box downward. So the new position is 3, 7. So from the 3 points, you just connect them all and draw the same image as the object, and the image you have to put P prime as the name of the new image. For the reflection on line X is equals to 5, which means you have to draw a line which is X equals to 5, and calculate the distance between the object to the mirror. So for the first point is at the right angle triangle, 1, 2, and 3. So you have to calculate after the mirror, which is 1, 2, and 3. For the second part is 1, 2. So after the mirror is 1 and 2. For the top part, 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2, and 3. So from the 3 points, draw yourself a new image and put it as a P prime. That is for reflection. For rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise at the center of 6, 5. So you have to put a point at 6, 5 as the center, and then you have to rotate the object 90 degrees and anti-clockwise. So from here, you can draw a new image and use it as a P prime. And next, for the enlargement at the center of 1, 9, which is the first point is 1, 9, with a scale factor 3, means that the size of the object must be 3 times, the image will be 3 times bigger than the size of the object. From there, you have to draw, and for the bottom part is 1 box. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, and the height is 1, 2. So 2 is equals to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from there, you can draw the lines, and the new image is named as P prime. Next, from the diagram, on the right shows several triangles drawn on a Cartesian plane. It is given that the transformation P, which is equals to translation 3, 1. 3 to the right and 1 upwards. And then Q is the rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise at the center of 3, 4. And R is the enlargement at center 8, 0 with scale factor 2, which means the image will be 2 times bigger than the object. So for the first one, determine the image of triangle A under the combined transformation. So the triangle A, the first transformation is P square. So from the point of 5, negative 2, you can move 3 boxes to your right, 1, 2, 3, and square, which means you have to double the process, which means another 3 more boxes, 1, 2, and 3. And then upwards also, you have to do 2 times, 1 and 2. So from the point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And for the last point, which is from to negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So for the first question, P square is the translation of 3, 1. So the image of question A is T. And for the second question, RQ. RQ the rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise at the center of 3, 4. But first, you have to do the enlargement at center 80 with scale factor 2, which is R, and then rotation. So the rotation 90 degrees anti-clockwise at the center of 3, 4. So 3 is here and 4 is here. So you can check the 90 degrees. When you rotate anti-clockwise, the image will be shown as one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So you will be going downwards, and the triangle will be at the point of 5, 0, 5, and the top part is at the point of 5, negative 4, 5, negative 4, and the last point is at negative 1, 2 here. So the triangle will be here, and then the enlargement is at the center of 8, 0. So 8, 0 is here. So when you do the enlargement, the size will be at the point of image W. So image W is the image of question B. Next, tessellation. For tessellation, determine whether each of the following patterns is a tessellation. For the first question A, it is a tessellation consists of pentagons only. You can see this pattern of pentagon is side to side with each other. For question B, it is not a tessellation because it has a shape which does not reoccur, which is a square. So here is a square, but then there is a triangle on each of them. So it's not a tessellation. For question C, a tessellation consisting of combination of equilateral triangles and square. You can see there is a triangle and there is a square, and they occur many times. Not as B, because B, you have a square that is only once occur. For question D, a tessellation consisting of the recurring patterns without overlapping is the same pattern, but it does not overlap. So it is still a tessellation. So for the summary for chapter 5 is that congruent shape, the corresponding sides and angles are of the same size. For triangle congruency, it must be side to side, side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, and side, angle. So all of it must be, the area must be equal, And for enlargement, object and image are similar, and you must check the scale factor, which is k equals to p, the a prime, which is the mirror image, divided by p a, which is the object. Area of image is equals to k square times with the area of object. For combined transformation AB means transformation must be B followed by transformation A. To determine image from object under transformation AB, the order of transformation must be B followed by transformation A. To determine object from image, the order of transformation is reversed to determine the image under the same combined transformation. And for tessellation is a pattern of recurring shapes that fills a plane without leaving empty spaces or overlapping. Tessellation can be designed from an isometric transformation. And that is all for today. Credits to the KSSM Form 5 textbook, which I used all the examples and the notes I took from there. So I hope you guys got to learn from me the subject of mathematics form 5 chapter 5, which is congruency, enlargement, combined transformation, and tessellation. Thank you and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share to your friends, and have a nice day. Thank you.